on, guys? So the holidays are coming up, Black Friday is fast approaching, and I thought it would be a good idea to review two shoes that I've bought that are currently on sale right now that you could buy for yourself or somebody else to rule their fitness, whether you're a HIIT person, a runner, a powerlifter, or the average gym goer. These two shoes that I'm about to go over are gonna cover all aspects, so let's rule your fitness. So we're gonna go over the overall good qualities of the shoe, its durability, the size fit, prices, where to buy, and other similar options. So the first shoe is the Nike Metcon 7. Now this shoe is an overall great gym shoe, whether you're a powerlifter, the average gym goer, you do HIIT, you do CrossFit, this shoe is for you. It's really good quality. I've used this shoe 6 times a week for the past year and a half now, and it's still holding up. These shoes are still holding up with no problem at all. Now the quality around your feet, it's sturdy. It's like a mesh type of material, but it still moves with you. It's not like having, cinder blocks around your feet. It's responsive. It has this like Nike React foam that's gonna help cushion you doing like explosive workouts, like when you're doing your HIIT stuff or agility stuff. And the great thing about this shoe, or I should say the best thing about this shoe, is the fact that the grip at the bottom of this shoe is absolutely second to none. If you're like a power lifter and you're like doing deadlifts, like heavy deadlifts, you won't have to worry about slipping and sliding. Or if you're doing agility stuff when you're doing HIIT or CrossFit, this shoe allows you to go from 60 to 0 or 0 to 60 with no problem at all. Now when it comes to size fit, this shoe does run true to size. I'm a size 10 and I bought a size 10, and there's still good enough space between my toes and the actual front of the shoe with no problem. As far as the width though, it is, I would say for the most part, it does run medium. It's not too wide or too narrow. It runs overall true to size. Now when it comes to prices and where to buy and other similar options, I personally use the Nike app. So you're gonna go to the Nike app and type in, Nike Metcon 7 or Metcon 7, whichever one you prefer. And then you're just gonna see the overall options. There's multiple. You have, men's shoes and women's shoes, or women's styles, I should say. So if you go under, best seller, you have like this rainbow color here that's currently almost 89 bucks. We have this aqua blue that I personally have. It's on sale, 20 bucks off right now. Electric yellow, you can call it, that's on sale for $90 right now. And just so you know, when it comes to the Nike app, the prices do vary from time to time. And the great thing about this app as well is a lot of times, especially the holidays right now, Nike will have a lot of promotions as well. So if you can go to the other options for the Nike Metcon 7, this is going to be for men's as well. Right now, these shoes, it looks like right now at the time of recording, they're not on sale, but they have been before in the past, and Nike might change that in the future as well. So always be on the lookout. Right now, out of this orangey looking shoe right now is currently out of stock right now, but you have like this brown here that looks pretty nice. We have this white, gray, and black that looks pretty nice as well. This black and gray, electric yellow, or lime green with the black looks pretty nice in my opinion. So you can literally look out for yourself, whichever shoes you want to buy personally. We have the women's shoes right now as well. If you go and click on that, those look they might be on sale. So you have like this black and white right now that's on sale for $120. This black and green for $111. This pink one right here for 80 bucks, which it looks pretty nice in my opinion. And this color right here looks like a tan with like a purple reddish kind of look going on. So look for yourself and see what you like basically. Nike has a lot of options, and again, prices will vary from time to time. At the time we're recording, not everything's on sale, but with Christmas approaching even closer, there's a big chance where these shoes might even be going on sale even more than they already are right now. Now, as far as similar options to the Nike Metcon 7, we do have the Nike Metcon 8, which is the newer version of the Metcons that came out earlier this year. Now, if you can go on the Nike app again, you can go, type in Nike Metcon 8. As of right now, I don't think any of these shoes are on sale, but if 130 USD or US dollars is not too much for you, you can buy this as well. For the most part, nothing has pretty much changed from the Nike Metcon 7 to the 8 besides basically how it kind of looks. It looks a little bit different, but for the most part, it's the same exact thing. So If you don't mind paying full price right now for the Nike Metcon 8s, you can go for the newer version. And they looks like they're all for basically like 130. And we have the men's version as well as the women's version as well. And we also have, you know, Nike Metcon, some Fly Eases, which is basically the same thing for the most part. So you can have a extra look for yourself to see which kind of versions you like when it comes to Nike Metcon 8s if you decide to go for the newer version. So the next shoe we have is the Nike Zoom Fly 4s. Now this shoe is for your runners, whether you go inside or outside. Great cushioning from heel to toe with no problem at all. So if you're going outside and running and you're stepping on branches, you're stepping on rocks, you know, uneven ground, does not matter. All you'll feel is the cloud under your feet. This shoe, me personally, it's a great shoe, but it's a little too high up for me. That's just my preference though. I do like shoes that are a little bit lower, but this shoe is still great in my opinion though. Now, when it comes to, you know, on the Nike app, if you go, you know, type in Nike Zoom Fly 4, you have men and women's. Let's go to the men first. You know, right now, original price for this shoe was $160, but right now these shoes for the black and white right now is going off for over $60 right now. We have this blue and gray right now that's going over for also $60 as well. This white and red color right here also going for $60. This orange highlight color right now as well going for over $60 as well. So right now this shoe is currently going on fire right now. And then you have this premium version as well that used to be $170. It's also going for like over 60 or over $70 as well. If you go back to the women's side now, same thing for the most part. A little bit less of a sale for the women's shoes right now when it comes to like the purple. This purple right here only going for $40 off. You have this like black and white going for only $30. This other color right now, this like white lilac laser blue that Nike calls it, not on sale right now. But this highlight electric green, or Nike calls it barely Volt, is going over only $10 right now. So once again, like I said before for the previous shoe, Nike will, you know, from time to time put on, you know, codes that'll make these shoes go even for sometimes over 50% off. So look out for that as well. Now, when it comes to size fit of the Zoom Fly 4, it does run true to size, but it is a little bit more firm of a fit though. So just be mindful of that, which makes sense because it is a running shoe. You don't want too much space when you're running, you know, you're doing your sprints and things of that nature. We want to be secure when you're running inside or outside. The material that wraps around your foot is also durable. It's firm, but it moves with you at the same time, if that makes any kind of sense. So if you have like sweaty feet, don't worry, you'll get some ventilation as well. It is firm, but it moves with you though. And if you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, please subscribe and let me know in the comments which shoes intrigue you or do you plan on buying as well. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.